Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be cash stuffing my first paycheck of May. If you have not already done so, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. If my voice goes from being like really clear now to like not clear as much, it's because this microphone that I have clipped to me is like about to die. So sorry for that ahead of time if it like goes out on you. All right, let's get right to the cash count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1200, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80. So that's 380. You know what? I actually need to move these up, I think. 10, 20, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, actually I need to move it back one. 1, did I add that 25? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yep. So I will be cash stuffing $1,650 this go round. And I know that's correct because in my teller slip, the bank didn't have any 50s, so just ignore that. They just gave me an extra 100. So I have 1200 instead of 1100 in 100s. As usual, I'm going to start with my personal binder. Also ignore my nails. I kind of messed them up a bit, but I was kind of playing around with some coworkers with like nail polish, so that's why they look done today. Okay. Starting with my little personal binder. Build the Tank has 30. I forgot where I put the 5. Well, anyway, I spent 35 on gas, but I will be putting that in the back so that can go towards my credit card. My funds is empty. Food is empty as well as buffer. So we're going to go ahead and stuff this. Gas is getting 35. And honestly, guys, I really think I'm gonna have to start adding more to fill the tank because gas is getting higher, but the quality of it is so suckish. Like I never have ran out of gas this quickly. So I don't know what they're doing to the gas, but I swear I'm at half a tank already, and that's insane for me. My funds is getting 140. I was going to do that with the 50s, but the bank didn't have it. So let's see, 100, 20, 20. And what did I say my funds was getting? Did I tell you guys? I don't think I did. It's getting 141. I can't remember. I'm sorry. Okay, so 120, 41. I have like scatterbrain today. I don't know. Food isn't getting anything, and neither is buffer. So that is it for my personal binder. Let's go ahead and go into my bill binder here. Okay, rent is getting $215. That's 1, 2, 10, and 15 in rent. Car is getting $340. So it's 100, 200, 300, 20, 40. Car insurance is getting 121, I believe. It's 121. So in car insurance now we have 1, 2, 20, 40, 41, 42. So 242 in car insurance. Phone isn't getting anything. Dental is getting 67. So 20, 40, 65, 6, and 7. So dental 20, 40, 60, 65, 65, 66, 67. Scatterbrain. And that's all dental has. Personal debt is getting 244. 1, 2, 20, 40, 40. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want to save a nice one for one of my challenges. So I'm going to kind of put that to the back. Although this one is more nicer, actually. Okay, so 1, 2, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. Oh, the rest of the, oh, that's when I added like 10 ones to this. Okay, so in personal debt, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 420, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So that was 454. This envelope is thick. Okay, and then in subscriptions, I am adding 40. So just $40. Okay, come on, thing. Okay, $40. What the world? Okay, is that in? Right, and that is it for my bill binder. Going into my sinking funds. Pet vet isn't getting anything. Car maintenance isn't getting anything. Not taxes. Not self-care. Not parents. Even though Mother's Day is coming up, so to all the mothers that are either watching my videos or obviously you guys have a mother if you're watching my video. Happy Mother's Day to all of you guys. So there's probably a new angle because my microphone did exactly what I thought it was going to do, which is cut off because it was like running on low battery. So there's probably like a new angle, probably more zoomed in, I think, or more zoomed out. I don't know which one, but I didn't realize my microphone went out until I finished recording and I went back through to like edit the video. But I do know that it cut off right when I was like saying Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And especially shouting out my mother for being like so supportive and just the most amazing woman of God to ever walk this earth. Love her so much. But yeah, it cut off right when I was trying to say thank you to everyone. It's so rude. But I think what I'm gonna do instead of like restuffing everything is kind of just pull out what I had stuffed and then just counting it. So I know for sure I left off right here saying that parents wasn't gonna get anything. I do have like a little staycation plan for me and my sisters. So I did stuff siblings with 120, 45. So 145. Birthday isn't getting anything. Holidays isn't. Pre-vacation. I do have something in mind, but I don't know if it's, I don't have like all the details all the way together, but I do want to plan something for my birthday. So I did want to go ahead and just get started with stuffing something in this category. When I finalize like all the details of what I'm doing, I think I'm going to start moving it over into my, is this, oh no, this is the challenge one. I'm going to move it over into my vacation binder. So like all of these here. Whenever I like finalize the details of like where I'm going, what I'm doing, things like that. But until then, it's just gonna be in my pre-vacation binder. I mean, pre-vacation envelope. So what I have in pre-vacation now is 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. So 277. And then school loans wasn't getting anything. I think I realized it later on that I needed to add money to my personal debt binder. So I did add that money that was like way in the back of my cash tray here. I don't remember the amount. I think it's 84 now, but I'm going to recount the personal debt for you guys. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So 484 now instead of, I think I said 74 last time. Something like that. Okay. So that's that bill binder. And then I did stuff my monthly saving challenge for the month of May. Let me see if I can bring that kind of close for you guys. So I stuffed May 1st, 8th, and 15th. And you guys know this is the Friday saving challenge. So every Friday of the month, you basically save that amount of the day. So just going to May really quick. May got 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24 so far. And that was it for my monthly savings binder. Lastly, because every little bit adds up, savings challenge, I did add $36 to this binder in total. So in the $1 savings challenge, I added $4. I added $1, which brought me up to $4 saved. In the 5 savings challenge, I added 1.5, which brought me to 20 saved. In the $10 saving challenge, I added 110. That brought me up to $40 saved. And then lastly, in the $20 saving challenge, I added 120 and it brought me up to $80 saved. So sorry that video cut out and I wasn't able to like do like an actual cash stuffing within this video because of my microphone. Hopefully everything will be perfect the next time I do a cash stuffing. But thank you guys so much for watching anyway. I hope you guys have a blessed day or night, depending on when you're watching from. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, also leave a comment if you want. Bye.